Jennifer with Jennifer at Home. Welcome to the Hot Cocoa Sweets and Treats Peeps Theme Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and co-hosted by Decorating with Jazzy Green, Barbie Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, Jackie Alston, and me, Jennifer at Home. All participating channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out and subscribe. I am so excited to be part of this collaboration. I just purchased this big tray at Home Goods, and this is going to be the base of my hot drink station. I have my coffee pot here. It is in beautiful pastels for spring. I'm going to start filling this large glass container with my drink pods to go in my hot coffee machine. I have this super cute rabbit from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add this lovely coordinating ribbon. I'll just set this right here in the back, right behind the tray. We'll definitely need coffee cups with our coffee station. I'll add this really pretty cake stand that was a gift from my friend Sharon. This beautiful egg is from the Dollar Tree, and it coordinates so nicely with everything in my hot drink station. I'll place it right here on this beautiful cake stand. I just bought these beautiful little cupcake bunnies on a trip to Arizona to see my daughter. They'll be perfect on our tray. Of course, we'll want some edible treats on our tray. I have the perfect thing, little bunny peeps. I'll stand these up in a glass jar. I'll layer some yellow ones right on top. To this chair in my kitchen, I added this lovely yellow stuffed peep from the Dollar Tree. It's a super cute addition to my kitchen for the Easter season. And here's how our Peeps themed hot drink station turned out. It'll be perfect to enjoy throughout the entire Easter season. I really appreciate you being here. I had so much fun being part of this collaboration and putting together this hot drink station. I would be so happy if you check out all of the other channels listed below, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.